here, baby. Out here in the car, we're gonna do what we do. Dig. Is that right, Pop? How you feeling?
You know.
Beat their ass? Get the on.
I love you, baby. You already know. Whole Baltimore City, I love y'all, baby. Put the out, baby.
Second down. Manning play action. Back to throw. Hit by Lawrence. And the ball is picked up by the Cowboys.
Antoine Woods picked it right out of the air,
An
Brad.
interception for Antoine.
How about that?
Woods' catch is phenomenal. Natural. Snatch it out of the air.
I was trying to get loose. I'm like, no, I didn't catch this.
Prescott in an empty gun. Back to throw it out to the right. Caught at the 40-yard line, and there's a first down for Tavon Austin. Snap is back. Four-man rush. Deep into the end zone. Caught. Touchdown. It's Blake Jarwin. Third down pass. Prescott pumps and goes in the end zone. Jarwin again. Jarwin again. I think I just saw him say, Witten, I'm coming for you.
I won't say who.
Hey, let's just start if we don't get touchdowns from now on. Damn it, I'm open all the time. I'm open all the time.
Cowboys lead 14-0. Manning in the gun. Back is to his left. Cowboys are going to blitz him. Nowhere near him. Throwing it in the left side of the end zone. Latimer caught it right over the top of Byron Jones for a touchdown.
Bum-ass Giants. Don't get no happy. Ain't nobody even play for us. Bum-ass Giants.
Third down. He's got time. He runs right. Throw it. Throws it. Caught. Jarwin at the 15 to the 10. The touchdown machine. Blake Jarwin. A chance to pull out some heroics.
It's been Blake Jarwin all day. Why not now?
4th and 15. Snap out of the gun. 5-man rush. He spins away from Vernon. Runs left. He can run, but he can also throw it in the end zone. Diving, but caught out of the back of the end zone. That's a touchdown.
Beasley is down
That
on the
is a
field.
touchdown. Oh, my goodness. What a play by Cole Beasley.
And those are Cowboys fans you hear in the background here.
Okay, this is what I know about this game. This game is about edge. It's about conviction. It's about mental toughness. It's about fight. Fight. That's what this game is about. It was not perfect on offense. It was not perfect on defense. It was not perfect in the kicking game. We got a lot of work to do. We know that. We know that. But never lose that edge, that conviction, that spirit, that fight. It's going to serve us well going forward. That was a big-time finish and a big-time ball game. Big-time ball game for our football team.